Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you are ever concerned about a potential water leak, this video is for you. I didn't even know this was a thing, but this device right here, which is considered like the home base, is connected to your home Wi-Fi, business Wi-Fi, whatever. It's connected to your network. Very easy to do. There's an app that you download, you set it up, you connect it, and then it's a wrap, it's done. It comes with a USB-C to a charging port. It looks like this. You got about 3 feet of cord to plug into the wall. Comes with all the stuff you need. It comes with it. It also comes with 1, 2, and a third sensor that I'm going to share with you how cool this really works. These can be placed anywhere in the residence or business or wherever you're, just in case you have any concern of having a, let's just say, a water leak. You would place this in that area. So if you're out of town and you want to place this maybe behind a refrigerator or in the laundry room or somewhere that you can, like a basement, or somewhere where you would love to be notified if worst case scenario, there was any sort of flood or water leak or anything going on in your residence, business, wherever this is. This is extremely loud. This is the volume that's right here. All these sensors connect to the hub, and then there's these sensors on the bottom. So when this is sitting, if water comes into the area and starts filling up, it will trigger these sensors. I guess like electricity or something connects these, and then it will sound the alarm, and you get a notification on your phone that something is going on as far as there's a water indicator. Might want to check that out. These come pre-installed with AAA batteries that have a run life of about 3 years, which is pretty cool. You also get an indicator if there's battery low, so you will know if they need to be replaced. Basically just unscrew these 3 little screws, this pops off, replace the batteries, pretty easy to do. Check out how cool this is and how it works. All right, so what we're gonna do is show how the water will trigger this alarm. So just setting this on a flat surface and then turning on water to show a potential leak. And as you can see, as soon as the water gets over those sensors, the alarm goes on, there's an LED indicator, and the phone is getting a notification. Another cool feature is that the app will actually send you a push notification and record all that information regarding the alarm setting, so you have that right where you are, no matter where you are. Very, very cool. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about our water alarm system and what all it does, and give us some honest feedback. Hopefully all this came across, and we'll talk to you soon.